Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Today, we are going to be looking at finding the derivative of exponential functions using a very fast method. Yes. Now, remember we said if y is equal to a raised to the power of x, yes, that the y all over the x will be equal to, we have a raised to the power of x ln a. Yes, or a raised to the power of x log a base e. So now we are going to be looking at functions of exponential functions. Now, example 1. Yes, example 1. Find the derivatives of the following functions. Yes, of the following functions. A, we have a raised to the power of sine x. B, we have a raised to the power of tan x. C, we have a raised to the power of ln x. D, we have a raised to the power of 5x squared. Yes, now let's look at this now. Yes, so now solution. Now, if y is equal to a raised to the power of sine x, now the y all over the x. Now remember here we said when you differentiate a power x, it gives a power x ln a. So it means when you differentiate a raised to the power of sine x, it will give a power sine x, then we have ln a. But because this is a function of function, sine x taking the position of x, you multiply it by the derivative of this function that has actually taken the position of x. And of course, when you differentiate sine x, it gives cos x. So the y all over the x will be equal to, we have cos x, a raised to the power of sine x, and here we have ln a. Yes, so that's a solution to the first question there. That's A. Now let's look at B now. If y is equal to a raised to the power of tan x, now the y all over the x will be a raised to the power of tan x ln a, then you multiply it by the derivative of this function, which is sec square x. It means the y all over the x will be equal to sec square x, a raised to the power of tan x, then here we have ln a. Yes, that's solution B. Now let's look at C now. Now C, we have y is equal to a raised to the power of ln x. So the y all over the x will be equal to a raised to the power of ln x. Then here we have ln a. Then you times it by the derivative of this function that's actually taking the position of x. So when you differentiate ln x, it gives 1 all over x. So it means the y all over the x will be equal to, we have 1 all over x, a raised to the power of ln x. Then here we have ln a. Yes, that's the y all over the x. Now lastly, D. Now question D. We have y is equal to a raised to the power of 5x squared. So the y all over the x will be equal to, we have a power 5x squared ln a. Then you multiply it by the derivative of this function. And when you differentiate 5x squared, it gives 10x. So it means the y all over the x is equal to 10x a raised to the power of 5x squared ln a. Yes, so that is the first method of finding the derivative of exponential functions. That is functions of exponential functions. So thank you so much for listening. Remember to like, share with your friends, and also subscribe. Thank you, and God bless you.